As an IT lead, you know when it comes to passwords, everyone has their own strategy. Strategies that may leave you vulnerable to all sorts of security threats. For example, Emma here, she uses the same password for everything. Or John from accounting, who chooses to keep all his login info in a top secret document. And then there's Barry, who when forced to change his password, just adds another exclamation point to his old one. Ooh boy. Luckily, Citrix's Workspace Essentials has the solution for you and your small business. With single sign-on, your employees can sign into all their SaaS and web apps using just one password. It's amazingly simple, and with two-factor authentication, amazingly secure. And it all leads to more ease, more convenience, and more peace of mind. And it all means Emma is happy, John is relieved, and Barry is very, very excited. And for you, it means you can focus less on passwords and more on productivity.